Very good morning, dear students. I am Miss Sujata Funde from Pratibha International School. I welcome you all in today's session of maths class. Students, as we all know that in last session we have seen about the properties of subtraction, right? So I hope you all have done the homework. Today you will get the exercise with the notes. You have to check the answers. Okay. Now, students, today we are going to start with my practice time 5. Okay, you have to write today's date. As you all can see here, I have written today's date, that is 16th July 2020, and you are also going to open first of all your math textbook. Please open your math textbook. In that you are going to open page number 30. Okay, so now students, page number 30 we have this my practice time 5. Now what we are going to do today, we are going to learn two terms, right? That is checking subtraction using addition. First of all, we are going to learn how to check the answer after the subtraction. Okay, and second, we are going to see that is addition and subtraction together. So there are two questions in my practice time 5. So first question, we are going to learn how to check our answer, and in second question we are going to learn how to do addition and subtraction together, right? So students, now we are going to start with our my practice time 5. You have to open your math CW. I hope you all have opened your notebook. So first question you can see here, subtract the following and check your answer. Okay, so here we are going to solve first question, that is subtract the following and check your answer. Now students, today we are going to take three examples as CW. So there will be A, E and F. Okay, so there are three examples which we are going to solve today. A, E, F and B, C, D will be homework. Okay, so here students, we can see that my practice time 5 is there on page number 30. So B, C and D will be your homework. Okay, you are going to solve these three examples for homework, and we are going to solve now A, E, F for the CW. So students, our first example is 21,431 minus 12,000. So here you can see that I have drawn two boxes. Okay, as we are going to do first subtraction and then we are going to add, so that we can check our answer is correct or wrong. Okay, so students, first of all we are going to write 21,431 minus 12,000. Okay, so let's subtract. First of all, we are going to subtract ones. 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 0, 3. 4 minus 0, 4. Now students, 1 minus 2, here we cannot subtract 2 from 1. So instead of 1, we are going to write 11 as the borrow. Okay, so we have borrowed one number from 10,000 to 1,000. So 11 minus 2, 9. And instead of 2, here we are going to write 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. Now students, in this example we can see that first number is known as minuend. Okay, so first number is known as minuend and second number is known as subtrahend, and when we get the answer after subtracting the both numbers, we call that answer as a difference. So students, here what we are going to do, now we have subtracted our numbers, so we are going to add our subtrahend and difference. To check our answer, we have to add our subtrahend and difference. That means we are going to add the second number and answer. So let's write here. So 12,000 plus our answer is 9,431. So like this we are going to write 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 3, 3, 0 plus 4, 4, 2 plus 9, 11. So 1 we are going to write here and 1 will be carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. So students, now here we can see that the answer is our minuend. That means the answer is our first number. So that means thus the subtraction is correct. Okay, so you are going to write now answer, thus the subtraction is correct. So here students, what we have done, we have taken subtrahend and uh, answer, that means difference also, we have added them, and here we got the minuend. Okay, so this is how we are going to check our answer. We just have to add the second number and answer so that we can get the first number. Now we are going to solve our second example. So here we have 3,87,992 minus 2,31,059. So I am going to write here the number. You also write with me. So 3,87,992 minus 2,31,059. Okay. So students, let's subtract. 2 minus 9 we cannot do. So instead of 2 we are going to write 12. 12 minus 9, 3. Now here we have borrowed one number. So instead of 9 we are going to write 8. So 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 0, 9. 7 minus 1, 6. 8 minus 3, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. So we got our difference, that is 1,56,933. So what we are going to do? We are going to add now subtrahend and difference. Okay. So now I am going to write here. You also write 2,31,059 plus the difference 1,56,933. So can you see here? I have written both the numbers, that is subtrahend plus difference. Okay. So now let's add and check the answer is correct or wrong. 9 plus 3, 12. So 2 we are going to write, 1 will be carry over. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 0 plus 9, 9. 1 plus 6, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. And 2 plus 1, 3. So students, our answer is 3,87,992. So let's check our minuend. Yes, 3,87,992. That means we have taken here also, and we can see that the answer is correct. So we have to write thus the subtraction is correct. Now let's solve the next question or the next example. Okay, so students, now we are going to solve F example, that is 9 lakh minus 7,93,056. So students, now what we are going to do? This first step is subtraction and second step is addition. So let's subtract 9 lakh minus 7,93,456. Okay. So now students, we are going to subtract here. So let's start. 0 minus 6 we cannot do. So instead of that we are going to write 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Here 1 borrowed, that's why 9. 9 minus 5, 4. Here also 1 borrowed. So instead of 0 we are going to write 9. 9 minus 4, 5. Here also we have borrowed one number. So 9 minus 3, 6. Here also we have borrowed one number. So 9 we are going to write 9 minus 9, 0. And here we are going to write 8. So 8 minus 7, 1. So our answer is 1,06,544. Okay. So students, here we have written 9 in tens, hundred, thousands and 10,000. Why? Because we have borrowed one number from each place. That's why we have written it. Okay, so let's check our answer is correct or wrong. So we are going to add second number and difference, that is subtrahend and difference. 7,09,000, 7,09,000, sorry, 7,93,456 plus 1,06,544. So students, now let's add 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 will be carry over. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 will be carry over. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1 will be carry over. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, so 0, again 1 carry over. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 0, 10, so 0, again 1 carry over. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So students, see our answer is correct or wrong? Yes, our answer is correct, and the answer is 9 lakh. That is the minuend only. Okay, so final answer write down. Thus, the subtraction is correct. Write down the answer. Thus, the subtraction is correct. So students, now in this blank space you are going to write B, C, D. You are going to solve the B, C, D examples. Okay. Let's move forward to the question number 2, that is solve the following. So students, this was all about checking the answer after subtraction by doing addition. Now what we are going to do, we are going to solve the following examples. That means we are going to learn how to add and subtract together. Okay. So first of all we have to subtract and then we have to add. Okay. So here we are going to solve A, C and E, and your homework sums are B, D, F. Okay. So let's solve. First of all, subtraction. So these two numbers we are going to subtract. 75,231. You also write with me. You have not drawn the boxes, right? So you can pause the video and you can draw the boxes. So minus 2000, 1 minus 0, 1, 3 minus 0, 3, 2 minus 0, 2, 5 minus 2, 3, 7 will be as it is. So 73,231. Now we have to add the difference and the third number. So we are going to write now difference, that is 73,231. Plus we are going to do 5,000. Okay. Let's add ones places. 1 plus 0, 1. Let's add tens places. 3 plus 0, 3. Let's add 100 places. 2 plus 0, 2. 1000 places. 3 plus 5, 8. 10,000, 7 will be as it is, as we don't have any number over here. That means it is 0. Okay. So now students, let's solve C question, C example. So here we have lakh place. Okay. So you can see that I have drawn the boxes. First of all, we have to add these two number. Then we are going to minus this from the difference of these two numbers. Sorry, from the product of these two number. Okay. So let's write 3,45,632 plus 21,569. 2 plus 9, 11. 1 will be carry over. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 6 10. So from 10 0 we are going to write, 1 we are going to write as a carry over. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 5 12. So 2, 1 will be carry over. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. 4 plus 2 6. And 3 will be as it is, as we don't have any number over here. So 3,67,201. So now students, what we are going to do? We are going to subtract our second number from the difference, from the product. So our answer is 3,67,201. Okay, and now we are going to minus 12,000 from this. So let's subtract. 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0 0, 2 minus 0 2, 7 minus 2 5, 6 minus 1 5, 3 will be as it is. So our answer is 3,55,201. So this was the answer of second example. Now students, we are going to write final answer. How we are going to write that also we are going to see now. So below this examples, below this columns, we are going to write thus. We are going to write this example full. 75,231 minus 2,000 plus 5,000 is equal to, we are going to write our final answer, that is 78,231. Okay, and here also we are going to write thus. We are going to write the example 3,45,632 plus 21,569 minus 12,000 is equal to, answer is 3,55,201. Okay, so like this we are going to write the final answer. Now let's see the final the last example of today's session. So here also first step will be addition and then subtraction. So let's write 7,36,521. We are solving E question. Example plus 1,25,650. So let's add 1 plus 0 1, 2 plus 5 7, 5 plus 6 11, 1 will be carry over. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 5 12. So 2 here, 1 will be carry over. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 7 plus 1 8. So we have finished with the first step. Now step second will be subtraction. We are going to subtract the third number from the answer of first step. So 8,62,171. So like this we have to connect the three numbers, right? First of all, we are going to solve the operation of first two numbers and then we are going to do the second operation. Okay, minus 1 lakh. So let's subtract now. 1 minus 0 1, 7 minus 0 7, 1 minus 0 1, 2 minus 0, 2, 6 minus 0, 6, 8 minus 1, 7. So our final answer is 7,62,171. So students, as we have written in last two examples, like that only we are going to write in this example also. So let's write the final answer. Thus, we are going to copy the example 7,36,521 plus 1,25,650 minus 1 lakh. So here you can see that I am writing is equal to, we are going to write the answer, that is 7,62,171. So this is our final answer, as you all can see. So students, this is how we are going to solve the examples when we subtract and add together. Okay, so here also you can see that first of all we have to do the two numbers operation. Okay, first of all we have to do the first operation, that is subtraction, and then we have to do the second one, that is addition. However, so in first example, first we had to do the subtraction, then addition, and here also you can see that but here we had to do addition first and then subtraction. So here in third example also, first we had to do the addition and then subtraction. That means we have to connect the two operation, that is addition or subtraction. Okay, and we are going to do the second operation with the first operation's answer. So here you can see that this is the answer of first process, that is subtraction. So we have to do the second process with the answer of first process. So here we have done subtraction first and here we have done addition first. So this was all about the addition and subtraction and in checking the answer. Okay, so we have seen that how to check the answer also. So first of all we have to subtract the numbers, subtract the given two numbers, and then we have to add. Okay, so in this concept, first of all we have to do subtraction and afterwards we have to do the addition. So students, we have seen that how we are going to solve this. So first of all we have to do the subtraction of two numbers and then we are going to add the difference of the two numbers plus the subtrahend. Subtrahend means second number. Okay, subtrahend means second number. So here you can see that 12,000 is second number. Here you can see that 2,31,059 is second number. Okay, here you have seen that 7,93,456 is second number. That means they are the subtrahend of the given examples. Okay, so students, I hope you all have understood today's concept, that is how to check the answer. It is very easy. First of all we have to subtract the numbers and then we just have to add the second number and answer, like how we did over here. And if we get, okay, if we get the first number as the answer, then our sum is correct. That means then our subtraction is correct. So students, this was all about today's session. In first question you have B, C, D as the homework, and in second question you have B, D, F as the homework. So students, here you can see that B, D and F will be your homework sums. Okay, B, D, F will be your homework sums. Today we have solved A, C, E as the CW. Okay, so students, this was all about today's session. I hope you all have understood the today's concept, that is how to check the answer and how to do addition and subtraction together. So students, do the homework which I have given you, and we will meet in next session. Till then, thank you and take care, students.